Hello Adobe Express creators. Want to change the font size in your design? Let me show you how to do it in just few taps. Let's go. First, open Adobe Express, choose your design project, click on the text box you want to adjust. At the top of the screen, you'll find the font size option. Tap on the font size drop-down menu or use the slider to adjust the size. You can make it smaller or larger depending on your design needs. Play around with font sizes to create visual hierarchy, bigger for titles, smaller for body text. If the text looks too blurry after resizing, try adjusting the text box size to fit the content better. How do you like your fonts? Big and bold or small and sleek? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.